To the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of biotechnology and exploring the top emerging career paths for 2026. If you're a student, recent grad, or a professional looking to level up, this video is for you. Biotechnology is booming thanks to advancements in gene editing, personalized medicine, and sustainable agriculture. The global biotech market is projected to exceed $3.2 trillion by 2030, creating tons of high value jobs. Governments and companies are investing in solutions that improve lives and protect our planet, and they need skilled professionals. Let's look at some of the top emerging careers in biotech and what you need to succeed. First up, we have bioinformatics specialists who analyze biological data and work with AI-driven biology. 1. Bioinformatics specialist role. Works with biological data, genome analysis, protein modeling, and AI-driven biology. Skills needed: Python, Washer R, data science, genomics databases, machine learning basics. Salary range: $60,000 to $130,000 plus per year, depending on experience and region. 2. Clinical research. Associate, CRA, role, supports clinical trials for new drugs and medical devices. Skills needed: good documentation, understanding of clinical trial frameworks and ethics. Salary range: $55,000 to $110,000 plus annually. 3. Bioprocess engineer role, designs and optimizes biological manufacturing systems, vaccines, biologics, enzymes, and more. Skills needed: biochemistry, fermentation systems, process scale-up knowledge. Salary range: $70,000 to $140,000 plus annually. 4. Biomedical engineer role, designs medical devices, diagnostic equipment, regenerative biomaterials, or prosthetics. Skills needed: biology plus engineering, CAD software, product testing. Salary range: $65,000 to $120,000 plus per year. 5. Regulatory affairs specialist role, ensures healthcare, biotech, and pharma products meet global standards. Skills needed: strong documentation, compliance rules, international approval guidelines. Salary range: $60,000 to $150,000 plus annually, with rapid growth after experience. 6. Environmental and agricultural biotechnologist role, develops sustainable crop technologies, biofertilizers, waste recycling systems, and biofuels. Skills needed: microbiology, genetic engineering, environmental systems. Salary range: $50,000 to $110,000 plus per year, depending on specialization and region. To thrive in biotech, focus on core biology skills like cell culture and PCR, which are essential in labs. Also, boost your data and programming skills. Tools like Python and R are crucial in modern biotech. Understanding research methodology is key. Know how to design experiments and analyze results effectively. Strong communication and collaboration skills are vital. Being able to explain your work can set you apart. Regulatory knowledge is also beneficial, especially in pharmaceuticals and clinical research. The best skill combo today: hands-on lab experience paired with data science skills. High demand worldwide. Biotech careers offer stable growth and global mobility, with many roles advancing to management positions after a few years. Senior professionals can earn between $150,000 and $300,000 plus in top international markets. To prepare for 2026, choose your specialization early and align it with your strengths. Work on real research projects. Experience is more valuable than just degrees. Learn at least one programming language used in biotech to enhance your skill set. Consider professional certifications like GCP, bioinformatics training, and quality assurance courses. Stay updated with scientific journals and biotech innovation platforms to keep your knowledge fresh. The biotech field is evolving rapidly, and we need people who can blend science, creativity, and technical skills. If you want to shape the future of healthcare and life sciences, now is your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.